Obviously, you have a lot of faith in what Nancy's doing for your art, and I suppose for other people's art. Can you talk to me a little bit about that, please?
Sure, it's a lot more than in just art. She calls it the art of the possible, or the adjacent possible, and sort of everybody's living in a box, and the artist has to live beyond the box. So I believe we're all an artist in our own way, and her message to me is that it's okay to tap that creative part of yourself in a different way that wasn't told to you or taught to you or defined to you. So this is that creative phenomena of the art of the possible. And it's very uncomfortable for most of us to be in a space where we don't know what the answer is. There was never once she said to anybody that was wrong, or you should have done it this way, or I'm going to tell you to do it that way. So if you're going to create something that no one has told you what to create, then you have to have this freedom to fail, liberty to learn to do it wrong, because there's no definition of what right is. So then you find what works is what works for you, coming from what Nancy calls beyond knowing. And some people call it the dark night of the soul, coming from a place where there are no lights, there are no road signs, there are no recipes, there's no specificity of what we should do. And that's the artist's journey, is to live in that white space, that open space, and create their own answer. So art is an interesting way of looking at things. A lot of people have studied art and have never been an artist. A lot of people have studied literature and are not writers. So no matter whether you're a beginner to the painting creative process or you've done it all your life, the ahas are just as profound because they're personal ahas. They're not prescriptive recipes. Again, you read Nancy's book, The Artist's Journey, there's not one painting in the entire book. She's not telling you how to function at a certain level or do things a certain way. She's allowing you to discover your artistic soul through your own techniques and own processes. What she offers are some things to experiment with, some things to try, but what you do with those elements is unique to you as the individual. So Nancy's alive. She's an evergreen process. She's a work in progress. I predict she'll have a series of books, a series of workshops, a series of insights. Indeed, her life is a journey, that which she's a spiritual quester. She's questing for some sort of profound personal truth and helping us to find our personal truth. And therefore, I see her as a beacon of light in that journey of life.